Well, I'm cooler because I started operating a couple weeks ago. So.
Oh my god!
Oh, I can do it on myself.
Whoa! Damn! Okay. I did not mean that, but okay.
Okay. Oh, we all know.
Yeah, I walk in my heels, so. Oh, you're